know what differentiates Mini from its competitors? It is one of the smallest vehicles in the world, which makes it the perfect vehicle for people living in town. Let's see the production of the easiest to park 5-door Mini car. Here's the manufacturing unit of Mini, located in Oxford. The production begins with bodywork, including forming skeleton pieces out of steel and aluminum sheets, and then having a robot spot welding several parts to attach them. Robots continue to attach additional parts to the body. Several more constructions are performed on the body. Sealant is applied to the body to make it airtight and watertight. Robots paint the car according to the customer's selection. Next, a lifting device installs the up-to-date dashboard. Various more assemblies are made. Now the robots install the rear windshield in the car, which will shatter into small round pieces when broken, for guaranteeing safety. Then, the wheels are assembled using a lifting device. The doors are attached to the body. The car passes through the inspection. Finally, the car is finished and ready to be parked in the smallest park lot ever.